Well, how does an elephant get a human strain of tuberculosis? Believe it or not, the first ever recorded case in Africa was back in 2016 at the Kruger National Park, which has a population of over 20,000 African elephants. Now, vets are currently testing the creatures to detect the disease. Slindelo Masekane went to the Kruger to find out more.
The Kruger National Park is monitoring the possible spread of a human strain of TB. This is after one of its elephants was killed by the disease back in 2016. This was the first ever case recorded in the park's population. Since then, researchers have been in the park and are conducting tests routinely on elephants such as this one. But first, the task of darting and sedating the large animal. After about 15 minutes, the elephant finally goes down. Blood samples are taken, its respiration is monitored while a large tube is placed down its throat.
We've done about 35 animals. We're hoping to do about 50 for this preliminary part of the research. We're targeting primarily older bulls, which seem to be more susceptible, and therefore, if it's present, we're hoping to pick it up. The research doesn't happen overnight, so we're continuing to work constantly with developing new tests that may be more sensitive. And at this point, we've also got blood tests that suggest that it might be present at very low levels here in the park.
Only the bovine TB has been documented in various species in the Kruger National Park, while the human strain has been found in elephants kept in zoos. So how could a free-roaming elephant contract human TB?
It's oftentimes when they go into tourist areas or possibly staff areas where they might come in contact with contaminated material.
Officials in the park are hopeful that the 2016 incident may have been an isolated one. Researchers will continue to conduct tests over the next 3 years. Slindelo Masekane, Kruger National Park in Mpumalanga.